Boost your English with these advanced words. First word abate, Hindi meaning कम होना, कम करना. English meaning to become less or reduce in intensity. Synonym reduce, diminish. Antonym increase, intensify. Second word is aberration. Hindi meaning asamanyata, vigilant. English meaning a departure from what is normal or expected. Synonym anomaly, deviation. Antonym normality, regularity. Third word is alleviate. Hindi meaning कम करना, राहत देना. English meaning to make pain or a problem less severe. Synonym relieve, ease. Antonym aggravate, worsen. Fourth word is ambiguous. Hindi meaning अस्पष्ट, दो अर्थ वाला. English meaning having more than one possible meaning. Synonym vague, unclear. Antonym clear, definite. Fifth word is ameliorate. Hindi meaning सुधारना, बेहतर बनाना. English meaning to make something better. Synonym improve, enhance. Antonym worsen, deteriorate. Sixth word is belligerent. Hindi meaning झगड़ालू, आक्रामक. English meaning hostile and eager to argue or fight. Synonym aggressive, hostile. Antonym peaceful, friendly. Seventh word is candid. Hindi meaning स्पष्टवादी, ईमानदार. English meaning truthful and straightforward. Synonym honest, frank. Antonym dishonest, deceitful. Eighth word is coerce. Hindi meaning दबाव डालकर मजबूर करना. English meaning to force someone to do something. Synonym compel, force. Antonym persuade, encourage. Ninth word is conspicuous. Hindi meaning स्पष्ट दिखाई देने वाला. English meaning clearly visible or attracting attention. Synonym noticeable, prominent. Antonym hidden, inconspicuous. 10th word is deteriorate. Hindi meaning बिगड़ना, खराब होना. English meaning to become worse over time. Synonym worsen, decline. Antonym improve, recover. 11th word is diligent. Hindi meaning परिश्रमी, मेहनती. English meaning showing careful and consistent effort. Synonym hardworking, industrious. Antonym lazy, negligent. 12th word is eloquent. Hindi meaning प्रभावशाली वक्ता. English meaning fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Synonym articulate, expressive. Antonym inarticulate, unclear. 13th word is ephemeral. Hindi meaning क्षणभंगुर. English meaning lasting for a very long time. Synonym temporary, fleeting. Antonym permanent, lasting. 14th word is exacerbate. Hindi meaning और अधिक गंभीर करना. English meaning to make a problem worse. Synonym aggravate, worsen. Antonym improve, alleviate. 15th word is gregarious. Hindi meaning मिलनसार. English meaning fond of company and social interaction. Synonym sociable, outing. Antonym reserved, introverted. 16th word is impeccable. Hindi meaning त्रुटिहीन, बेदाग. English meaning perfect and without mistakes. Synonym flawless, perfect. Antonym imperfect, faulty. 17th word is impetuous. Hindi meaning आवेगी. English meaning acting without careful thought. Synonym rash, impulsive. Antonym cautious, thoughtful. 18th word is incessant. Hindi meaning निरंतर, लगातार. English meaning continuing without interruption. Synonym continuous, constant. Antonym intermittent, occasional. 19th word is meticulous. Hindi meaning अत्यंत सावधानी पूर्वक. English meaning showing great attention to detail. Synonym careful, thorough. Antonym careless, negligent. 20th word is ostentatious. Meaning Hindi दिखावटी. English meaning designed to attract attention by showing wealth or style. Synonym showy, flashy. Antonym modest, simple. Subscribe Study English Sutra now and improve your English every day.